Simple, my dear, my dear friends. We are starting our class, and today we have a speaking session. And today's topic is very common topic. It has been seen many times that when students take their online classes, so not all, but many students put their cameras off. And I have been taking these classes for last 5 years, but it is not clear to me that what is the reason of it here. So, according to you, what reasons may be? So, this is your speaking session, and please start giving your names in message box so that we can start our classes. Yes, and I've got the first name Rakshit, then Rohit, Harsh, Harshit. Okay, Kabir Sahab, Sahab, Kabir Sahib, Kabir Sahib. Very good, Kabir. Good going. Shabash beta. बहुत आगे जाओगे बेटा. Very good. So today we are standing. I think that after this class I will give you a winter leave for a few minutes. Okay, as I give you so often. And by now I have
सर वो तो डेली देते हो.
well daily देता हूँ मैं. By now I have given you the winter leaves for many days if you calculate it. So now I am calling Rakshit to speak upon the topic. And now listen to all so that you can improve your thoughts regarding the topic. Yes, come on, Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Akshit Maurya, and today I am telling on the topic that is why students make their camera off while taking the classes. What is the reason behind
Hmm,
it?
hmm,
So we know that online class, this thing is very effective nowadays. Many classes are held online, and there are many features in the while taking online classes in the apps. And the main features are the camera and the mic. By camera you can show your face, and by mic you can express your views. And so there are not all but many students who make their camera off while taking the class, and there can be many reasons. And the official formal reason is that there is network issue, and
बहुत
this
बढ़िया,
is
शाबाश,
this
nice work,
can be
nice
called
vocabulary, very good, हाँ.
this can be called the biggest advantage of classes
Hmm,
for students.
hmm,
And but accept accept the advantage, accept the this reason, there are also many reasons, like some students without any reason make their camera off. Some are shy,
hmm.
who and do not want to show his or her face, and if they are told to on their camera, they show your face, they show their face half, not full.
Yes,
And
and sometimes they show their fans, their
uh,
ceilings, but not their face. Yes.
yes, sir, there are also some students who show their fans and ceilings.
Hmm.
And a- and some students lie on bed and take the class,
Hmm.
and also
Hmm.
play game.
Hmm. In
And
comfort position. Hmm.
yes, sir, in comfort positions.
Hmm.
But our sir's class, I don't think that there are students who play games.
Hmm.
And
But you, some some
and so
some
that's it.
some play beta, some play. I have seen it many times. Not all, not most, but very few students do such types of things. Yes. Carry on.
Yes, sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश. अब देखो छोटा सा बोला लेकिन बहुत बढ़िया. ऐसे बोलो. Enjoy करो अपनी क्लास को. Okay. And now रोहित भाई.
Yes, sir. Ram Ram Bhaiyu.
हाँ राम राम भाई, आ जा भाई.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about the reason why students put their camera off.
Hmm.
So, as you all know, that many of the students in the world take online classes for study. And the app they are taking the online classes, there are many features like chat box, camera, voice message. These types of features are there in the
Hmm.
online class.
Hmm.
And as you know that the biggest problem of online classes is that the students put their camera off and do whatever they want.
Hmm.
So many students give reason that this is an internet issue.
Hmm.
And most of the time it is not internet issue.
Hmm.
But the students say that this is an internet issue,
Hmm.
and save themselves from the rebuke of the sir
Hmm.
and the teacher.
Hmm.
And this helps the students a lot.
Hmm.
Like if a teacher is asking some question, and if we put off our camera, and we are not we are not speaking, then sir will
Thanks.
understand
Hmm.
that the student is not there.
Hmm.
But although we are there,
Hmm.
if we don't know the answer, we can use this feature, but this is wrong.
Shabash, very good.
But if we know the answer, we should tell the answer.
Hmm.
And if we don't know the answer, that so we should try to give the answer. Don't We should not run away from the situations in the class.
Hmm.
And there are also many examples of this. Like some students are lazy, and they want themselves to be laid in the bed, and they take the class by resting in the comfort place of their bed in the
Hmm.
blankets.
सही
And
है.
this make themselves very comfortable, and they are able to take class without any difficulty. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, वेरी गुड यार. यही तो है, तुम्हारे ऐसे टॉपिक होने चाहिए जिसे तुम्हारा पता तो चले भाई. मैं तो सोच भी नहीं सकता था कि कम्बल अम्बल ओढ़ के भी क्लास लेते होंगे भाई.
अभी कंबल में ही
वेरी गुड बेटा, वो पता
अब
चलता
मैं
है.
तो
यस.
कंबल में ही हूँ अभी.
हाँ, कंबल में ही है ना, वो तो मुझे पता चल रहा है कौन कौन कंबल में है. बेटा आजा हर्ष.
Yes, sir.
हम्म.
Hmm. Hello, good evening. My name is Harshad, and today my topic is why students put their camera off. As you all know that nowadays online classes are very important for every student life, because by online classes they can be staying at home and enjoy the education.
एंजॉय देखो आप वहाँ बोलो. हाँ.
I use the word enjoy because it is a enjoyable things for students,
अच्छा.
because there are many advantages of online class for only students, not for teachers.
हाँ. हाउ.
Uh,
हाउ.
it is because many students turn off their camera
हाँ.
and say that it is internet issue, and they lie on the bed
हाँ.
to rest.
हाँ. रेस्ट.
And many are so extraordinary that they put their camera off and go to on their roofs
हम्म.
or any place.
एट
And
नाइट
if
राइड्स.
they if their turn is not there, they start playing.
हम्म.
But many are not so clever that they do things
हाँ.
like so.
हम्म.
So they eat food while online class
हम्म.
by turning off their camera.
हम्म.
Uh, and eating food is a or it eating food is a uh, eating food is we can say that good or bad thing,
हम्म.
both for students,
हम्म.
because if students will eat, then they will grow up. If not eat, they will be hungry.
हम्म.
So by turning off their camera, this is the most important advantage for them.
हम्म.
And by turning off camera, not many, few students play games.
हम्म.
And many of them feel shy that they have just woke up from their bed, and
हम्म.
their hairs are going somewhere, and
Going somewhere.
and their and their clothes are
हाँ.
not in a good position, good form.
हाँ, they are
So they
going here
turn off
and
their
there. Very good. Yes.
so
हाँ.
they turn off their camera
हम्म.
to not show their face.
हम्म.
And when the teacher says that turn on your camera, then they show their roofs or ceiling.
Hmm.
Sorry, they show their ceilings and fans,
Hmm.
and uh, and teacher is just seeing them that where is he?
Where is he? He tried
And
to search him at on phone fan, eh? On ceiling. Yes. Hmm.
and many do this because their DP or ID photos they like that, so they to show that to many
Hmm.
people
Yes, yes, this is
they
also
turn off
reason.
their camera,
हाँ. Hmm.
and that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड यार, मजे आ गए भाई, कुछ भी कहो तुम यार, तुम्हारे व्यूज, ये तो तुम्हारे ओरिजिनल व्यूज हैं। शाबाश। ये तुम्हारा कच्चा चिट्टा खुलता है बेटा, हमारी समझ इसी से तो बढ़ती है, मुझे कैसे अंदाजा लगा लेते हैं क्या कर रहा होगा। यही तो बात है। यस हर्षित, आ जा बेटा, तू भी आ जा।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit More. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is what do students do by turning off their cameras. So,
बोल। हाँ, बोल।
yes, sir. So, as we saw that online classes were very common at the time when there was COVID-19
हम्म।
and it's been running by now.
हम्म।
And there are many reasons that by there are many reasons for turning off the cameras
हम्म।
like sometimes a student may be feeling shy that he is not properly dressed or anything else,
हम्म।
and uh, there may be many reasons like if a student is naughty and he may play games at the time when he is taking classes, and the teacher would understand that he is at the classes, and teacher and the teacher would ask him questions, but there would be no response, and the teacher would understand that there is the issue of the network.
हम्म।
Sometimes there is the issue of networks, but the chances are very few.
वेरी
As
फ्यू। शाबाश। यस। हाँ।
in our classes, uh, and this is a very common problem with everyone.
हम्म।
uh, Sometimes some students eat their food while taking the classes, and sometimes they are in the bed and looking at the television of or
वेरी
the
गुड, शाबाश। हाँ।
and,
हाँ, बोलो। हाँ।
they may be doing their homework of schools at the
हम्म।
time when they are taking classes, when they are in stress that they have to complete that work without anything.
हम्म।
But this is not done by everyone. The most common thing that is done by everyone is to hide their faces, as sometimes they feel shy, and
हम्म।
sometimes they off their camera to play games. And like we saw many examples of it at the time when we took the classes of our schools,
हम्म।
and at the time almost uh, all the students used to off their cameras because they used to play games, and they used to eat food while
हम्म।
taking the class.
शाबाश। हाँ।
And by this we can say that there are many reasons for it for to understand. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश, सब लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है, नेचुरल, बिल्कुल ये स्पीकिंग चाहिए अपने को, वेरी गुड। शाबाश। एंड नाउ सुशील।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Raman on an interactive classes from 16. And today I am here with a new topic whose name is why students keep their cameras off.
हम्म।
As we know that there are two ways to get education.
हम्म।
First is
शाबाश।
online, and second
नाइस
is
ओपनिंग, वेरी
offline.
गुड। हाँ।
And and the and the way of online came in 2019, and in online there are many features like camera, mic, raise hand, and speaker, etc. And now I am telling you that why students keep their cameras off.
हम्म।
There are many reasons, and I am telling you one by one.
हम्म।
First is that when students take their class, they eat something
Hmm.
like chocolate, juice,
Hmm.
pakodi,
Oh.
etc.
Shabash.
I
Very
have
good.
also eaten.
Uh,
And in winter season they sleep on the bed and they take the class in comfortably
शाबाश बेटा बहुत बढ़िया.
right.
Hmm.
And some students play games in mobile like Free Fire,
Oh.
Call of
Oh, shabash.
Duty,
हाँ.
PUBG, etc.
Hmm.
And some students try to show their face
हाँ.
because their hair, and sometimes it happens that they have not taken bath, and they have to show
Very
their
good.
face.
हाँ, शाबाश.
And some students show their fans and ceiling,
Hmm.
uh, and the most reason is that when their teacher asks them a question, and they keep their cameras off, and they say that, sir, that was network issue.
Oh, yes. Yes.
All do it, all do it, and also I do it
Yeah, yes, yes, yes. You all do बेटा. तुम्हारी ये तो बातें पता चली कौन क्या क्या कर सकता
sometime,
है.
but
यार
not
कोई बात नहीं. हाँ, शाबाश बोलो.
every time, but sometime.
हाँ.
So that's it.
वेरी गुड. बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश. ऐसे छोटा थोड़ा सा बोलो. कुछ ज्यादा नहीं. बहुत ज्यादा ही बोलना है अपने को. बस अपनी बात अच्छे से कहो. बस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ में. And yes, now I think this is the turn of Kabir Sahib.
Yes, sir. Hello,
Wow.
everyone. My name is Kabir Saab. I am the
Kabir
student of Rajasthan
Sahib. हाँ कबीर साहब बोलो.
Online interactive classes from batch B18.
हाँ.
Today's my topic is why students turn off their cameras.
हाँ.
There are a lot of reasons which is uncountable. Uh, but I tell you some reasons of them.
Hmm.
Like sometimes they turn off their cameras because they watching TV and they watching Ninja Hattori Shinchan.
ओहो.
So
ओ देखो तगड़े भाई ये है इनका यार नाम तो ऐसे फ्लो में. हाँ बोल.
so
Hmm.
so they are busy in watching their cartoons.
Hmm.
But and sometimes they laid on the bed in the winters
लेट नहीं लाई.
uh, by their blankets.
Hmm.
And taking class sometimes students give the reason of network
नेटवर्क इशू. हाँ.
uh,
Hmm.
and say sir my network issue, so I cannot give the answer.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
i I am one of them.
हाँ हाँ.
uh, I am one of them.
वेरी गुड. शाबाश बेटा. रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है आज तो बोलो.
Oh sir.
हाँ सर. बोलो बोलो बोलो. हाँ तो फंस गए तुम अपने बुने हुए जाल में बेटा. कोई बात नहीं.
Okay sir.
कोई बात नहीं.
Sometimes students play games on the mobile phone and uh, and said, sir, I my network issue also.
Hmm.
And they playing
प्लेइंग क्यों बेटा.
and they
प्ले
watching,
प्लेइंग क्यों लगा रहा है. आर प्लेइंग कर फिर.
and they play Free Fire, Fire Free, etc.
ओहो. हाँ.
Sometimes they watch YouTube.
हाँ हाँ बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
There are a lot of reasons. There are a lot of reasons, and I know only that.
Hmm.
So that's it.
अरे वाह यार. बढ़िया बोल दिया तूने आज तो साहब. कबीर साहब. शाबाश. You
Thank you,
also do it.
sir.
Sometimes I also do it. अभी ले बताऊंगा तुम्हारे को बेटा। अरे तो मैं कहूँ ये कैमरे कैसे बंद हो जाते हैं इनके, यार चक्कर क्या है इनका। चलो कोई बात नहीं। या आदित्य स्पोर्ट्स प्लेयर, अरे वाह शाबाश, तगड़े तगड़े नाम आ रहे हैं भाई आज। चलो आ जाओ आदित्य, कम ऑन, कराटे चैंपियन, आजा।
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा।
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya, sports player, and today's our topic is why the students they off with their camera
हम्म
in online classes.
हम्म
As you all know that now we take online classes and some students off their cameras,
हाँ
and now I some reasons sorry sir
आराम
7 reasons why
आराम से
the
आराम से बोल, बिल्कुल पूरा सेंटेंस बना के बोल, बिल्कुल फोकस करके बोल, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी। हाँ।
This is
हम्म
why the students switch off their cameras in online classes.
हम्म
And the first reason is student eat eat food like chocolates and sabji roti and etc.
हाँ हाँ शाबाश, बोलते रहे।
And watch YouTube and TV at free in the class.
हम्म
And some students stop their cameras and lie on bed and and take a small rest
हाँ हाँ शाबाश शाबाश।
and and we and I don't do this
वेरी
because
गुड।
this is
शाबाश। हाँ, यू डोंट डू
because
दिस,
this
वेरी गुड। हाँ
is
बोल।
because this
Sir,
is
हाँ
very
बोल बोल, इसको
sir,
बोलने दे।
I love your Hasi, sir. Sir, I
यस,
love your Hasi, sir.
आई टू लव माई हंसी। हाँ बोल भाई आदित्य।
this is because this is a very sir अजीब को क्या बोलेंगे अजीब
वंडरफुल, अमेजिंग,
wonderful
हाँ,
is an amazing
सरप्राइजिंग,
thing
हाँ।
and and second reason is very big reason
हो यस।
students off their camera and chatting other uh, other 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 relatives
हाँ
and 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 play two player games
टू
and
प्लेयर गेम्स, ओके
जो लोगों के गेम खेलते
ओके। बोल बोल,
and
कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोला कर, थोड़ा फोकस करके रखा कर सेंटेंस को, सही ढंग से। अच्छा बन रहा है, और अच्छा कोशिश कर बेटा।
and third reason is very biggest reason
ओहो, बिगेस्ट से पहले बेरी नहीं लगाते बेटा। बोल, तू आगे बोल।
कैसे बोलूं थर्ड रीजन को
बोलना क्या रीजन है,
बहुत बड़ा रीजन है
बता ना तू यार, क्या बात है यार।
in the summer students parents take buy ice cream and put in the freezer and parents go to walk in outside
हाँ,
and student take online class and switch off their camera and go
गेट द
in
आइसक्रीम
kitchen
फ्रॉम द रेफ्रिजरेटर। अरे
and
वाह,
get
बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया। आइसक्रीम चटोरे हो रहे हो तुम। हाँ
and get and get ice cream
हम्म,
and eat and eat their ice cream and last I want to say that don't try this in our home because
शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा, लास्ट में बहुत अच्छा मैसेज दिया। बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, ऐसे बहुत अच्छा करने लग गया अब तू, है ना बेटा। अब और कोशिश करेगा तो और अच्छा आ जाएगा। बहुत अच्छा अब करने लग गया बेटा तू, है ना बेटा। ऐसी कोशिश करता रहे बस, शाबाश। यस, ये कौन है, यशस्वी जायसवाल? तो कोई यही नहीं हमारे यहाँ पे।
सर मैं हूँ
अरे
ना यशस्वी,
कौन?
दीदी
मैं हूँ ना यशस्वी, यामिनी यशस्वी।
ओके ओके ओके, हमने कहा भाई ये जायसवाल साहब कहाँ आ गए।
सर आप मेरा नाम भूल गए।
नाम तो
एग्जिस्ट ही
मुझे
नहीं करता।
याद है भैया, मुझे बस सरनेम याद नहीं था तेरा, और यशस्वी तो मेरे को याद ही नहीं है, मेरे को तो यामिनी के नाम से जानता हूँ मैं तो तेरे को।
सर दीदी का नाम सही में जायसवाल है, मतलब सरनेम।
हाँ है,
अरे
लिखा है तो
भाई
होएगा ही।
साहब।
बोल भाई बोल, चल यामिनी बोल।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashri Rao. I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes from batch BAT. Today, my topic is why the students put off their cameras.
हम्म
So, as we all know that the online classes are very popular in our surrounding nowadays.
हम्म
This is the online classes have a has a feature. The feature name is camera. The student can decide when they want to put on their cameras and when they want to put off it.
हम्म
So most of the students put off their cameras and say same reason that it is a network issue. But the 90% students say lie.
से नहीं,
In
लाई
a,
लाई भी काफी है, से की जरूरत नहीं, लाई वर्ब है ना बेटा अपने आप में।
okay, sir, lie.
हाँ
Because the today age is age of 5G and the network can reach everywhere except my house.
एक्सेप्ट योर हाउस। ओके। हाँ शाबाश
So
बोल।
it is a very truly lie.
हम्म शाबाश बोल।
Behind the students behind their cameras do so many type of things. I want to say you some things.
शाबाश।
The first thing which we all do commonly, that we turn off our cameras and eat our food because our class is going on in the time of our dinner.
शाबाश।
So if sometime in our house something becomes special and we to can't control to eat it, so we eat it by turn offing our cameras.
बाई टर्निंग ऑफ। हाँ बोल।
By
अच्छा है,
turning off
थोड़ा फोकस करेगी तो फिर करेक्ट होने लग जाएगा बस।
by turning off our cameras. And the second is, most of the students do not like to show their faces because they are celebrities.
Oh, yes, very good.
We
Celebrities.
and
हाँ,
how they can show their faces.
हाँ, yes. They are not ordinary person यार. They are celebrities. They are special ones. So,
Huh.
हाँ.
And
Yes. हाँ.
and sometimes when they turn on their cameras, they show their half faces.
Half faces. Yes. Sometimes nose, sometimes forehead. Yes. Hmm.
And they show their full faces with tight hankies,
Hmm.
apply mask, anything which they have.
Hmm.
Sometimes they show their fans, railings, tube lights, except their faces.
Hmm.
And the other reason that
Hmm.
sometimes we don't know answers. So
This is the great important reason.
so we
Yes.
show that we are not
We
here.
are not here. Yes, we show that we are not here. Very good. हाँ. शाबाश। बोल बोल बोल।
And turn off our cameras, search our name, we don't reply.
Hmm.
It is a way to say that we don't know.
Hmm.
Sometime our mobile hacked badly.
Hmm.
It is a common reason in cheap mobiles.
Hmm.
We can't turn on cameras, we can't turn on our mic, we can't say, we can only hopeless. What we do now? It is up to our phone what it want to do.
खुशी बैरवा जाओ बेटा तुम लोग। हाँ बोल।
Sometime our mother said that it is study from home, so you should also do home or work of home.
Hmm.
2 minute left your class and do this work.
Hmm.
So
Oh yes, yes.
that-
This is also a reason. Yes.
so that's why we should turn off our cameras.
Hmm.
Sometime we turn off our cameras and power.
बाहर। Where?
Sir, मैं कभी गई नहीं ना, तो पता नहीं है.
Hmm.
Sometime we turn off our cameras and chat to other person because
Hmm.
in the online classes If we turn off our cameras, we can video call. We cannot do normal call, but we can do video call
Hmm.
on WhatsApp. So some students also do it.
Hmm.
So this is the reasons by which, because of it, the students turn off their cameras. Thank you, sir. That's
बहुत
it.
बढ़िया, वेरी नाइस, शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोला। यस रश्मि, आ बेटा।
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Rashmi Meena. My topic is why do students put their cameras off?
Hmm.
In the online classes have many features like chat box, camera, etc.
Hmm.
Some students don't feel well because they are introvert.
डोंट फील कंफर्टेबल। हाँ, कोई बात, दे आर इंट्रोवर्ट, ठीक है बेटा, बोल। हम्म।
They are introvert. Sometimes they have a internet issue.
हम्म।
If they turns on the camera, his voice doesn't come out well.
शाबाश, यस यस, ये वेरी गुड, राइट, करेक्ट रीजन, यस।
Sometimes students out. Sometimes students not at a home. They are any functions and other place.
शाबाश।
So they don't. They have distraction. So they don't open on their cameras.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया,
On their cameras.
वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया, लॉजिकल, बहुत अच्छी बात बोल रही है बेटा। हाँ।
Sometimes some students eats food, so they don't their on their cameras.
आराम से बोल बेटा, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी, आराम से, बिल्कुल इजी तरीके से बोल, कुछ भी स्ट्रेस नहीं।
Some students
धीरे धीरे बोल बेटा।
are ill.
हाँ हाँ, बोल।
Some students are ill, so they don't feel comfortable, so they lie on a bed,
हाँ, वेरी गुड,
so they don't on their cameras.
शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया। हाँ।
Many times their phone was hanged. Their phone is hanged,
हाँ।
so they don't on their cameras.
हाँ, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी, कॉन्फिडेंस रख बस। बहुत अच्छे थॉट्स आ रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा एक्सप्रेशन हो रहा है, कोई चिंता मत करे, बोल आराम से।
Sometimes they talk to in their family, so they do so they close their cameras.
हाँ हाँ।
Sometimes they chat to anyone,
हम्म।
so they don't on their cameras. Some students use social media and play games.
वेरी गुड,
That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा, शाबाश, ऐसे कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ, और बिल्कुल भी हड़बड़ाए मत कर, और अपनी स्पीड कम कर, बिल्कुल आराम से धीरे धीरे बोला कर, तसल्ली से बेटा, है ना। हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश बेटा, वेरी गुड। एंड नाउ वैष्णवी, आ जाओ।
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. My name is Vaishnavi. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. And today again we have a speaking session.
शाबाश,
And today our topic is why students switch off their camera. As you know that there are two ways to get education: online class and offline class.
शाबाश,
And we can take online class in many apps like Google Meet, Zoom, Vedantu, Byju's, etc. And there are many features in it like microphone, camera, chat box, etc. Now I am telling about why students switch off their camera.
हाँ
There are many reasons like they lie on the bed
हाँ
and they playing games like Free Fire, PUBG,
they
etc.
are playing,
They are playing
हाँ,
they are playing games like PUBG, Free Fire, etc. And they switch off their camera because and they watch the television and they watch reels on Instagram and Snapchat, etc. And
बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है,
some students say that there is network issue, and when sir asked asks the student when the sir asks the question
हाँ
to the students and they say that Sir, I couldn't.
I can't.
Sir, I can't listen the question.
I couldn't आएगा यार, ठीक है. हाँ, ठीक है. I couldn't listen.
I couldn't listen the question, and sometimes they are not at home. They were in. They are in. They are in any function program.
Sometimes in a vehicle. Like you.
Yes.
Yes. I've seen you many times taking classes in your car. Yes.
Yes, sir. And yes, sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया. अच्छा कॉन्फिडेंस नजर आया तेरे. घूम घाम के आ गई तू. फ्रेश हो गई तू एकदम, है बेटा. चल बहुत अच्छी बात. मेरे को मैसेज कर दिया करो बेटा एक, है ना बेटा. हाँ, कुछ भी SMS कर दो, मैसेज कर दो, कुछ भी डाल दो.
ओके सर.
ये क्या बेटा, थोड़ी सी इसलिए है ये चीज क्योंकि एक अपने को जिम्मेदारी, अपनी रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फील होती है अपने को इसमें, इसलिए करना चाहिए. ओके बेटा. यस नाउ खुशी हो गई. खुशी तो है ही नहीं, लक्ष्मी आ गई. हाँ लक्ष्मी, why your camera is off, Lakshmi?
Sir, I am not in my home.
So where are you?
Sir, I am library.
You are in library. So are you feeling comfortable? Would you
Yes,
like
sir.
to speak? Yes, come on, speak.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is why the student keep their camera off. And there are many classes. There are many advantages of online classes. And many students are held online classes by
Many students take online classes. Bol.
yes sir. By camera, you can show your face, and some student off their camera and said, "I have a network issue." In the winter time, they sleep bed and take online classes. And some students play games because the parents do not give phone, and the parents give phone when the classes started. So they play games while the class started.
While the class
Some
going on. हाँ बोलो कोई बात
yes,
नहीं.
sir.
बोलो हो जाएगा.
Some students show their pen and house like a Gaurav. And some students take class in comfort position.
हाँ. Comfort position. शाबाश, बोलती रहे.
And some students keep their phone beside and they go outside like a
Very good.
Khushi Vedwaditi.
शाबाश. हाँ बहुत
Online online classes is a famous and important classes.
हाँ.
In the online classes, the student can eat food, and sometime they talk their families, so they close their camera.
हाँ.
And many students close their camera because they eat many food and they do not want to watch their face,
Show their face.
and they think that what will the student speak about here there.
Think. हाँ.
And nowadays our sir do not open his camera and all the students have to affect. That's it, sir.
Okay. Very good. अच्छा बोला तूने. Short and sweet. शाबाश. आजा बेटा. लाइब्रेरी जाती है कि तू आजकल पढ़ने के लिए?
हाँ सर, आजकल क्या पेपर आने वाले.
तेरे तो घर पे ही खूब जगह है.
सर आजकल फोन में नेट भी नहीं है ना, इसलिए घर पे नहीं जा.
अच्छा ओके ठीक है बेटा. हाँ मुस्कान आजा बेटा.
Today I am telling
अच्छे से बेटा, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बेटा, है ना बेटा.
what students switch off the cameras.
What नहीं, why?
There are many reasons to switch off the camera.
There are many reasons. हाँ बेटा बोल.
Today I am going to tell you some reasons, because uh, this has no end. Some students switch off the cameras and eat food
हाँ,
like aloo ka paratha,
ओहो
uh,
चटोरे हो रहे हैं सारे। हाँ, बोल बोल।
gajar ka halwa
हाँ,
in
गाजर का
winter,
हलवा, शाबाश। हाँ बेटा बोल।
etc.
हाँ,
And in winters, some students hold
देयर कैमरास।
their cameras and uh, one second, फिर से बोल रही हूँ.
हाँ बोल बोल बोल, घबरा मत।
In winters, students taking classes in kammals,
इन ब्लैंकेट्स।
blankets,
हाँ, शाबाश बोल।
and some students playing games like Free Fire, Ludo,
हाँ,
PUBG, etc.
वेरी गुड। हाँ,
And
हम्म,
sometimes, sometimes students seen fan,
स्टूडेंट शो।
students saw fans
हाँ,
and so fans and some and sir asked question
आस्क्स। हाँ, व्हेन सर आस्क्स क्वेश्चंस
question and students will be not answer.
विल स्टूडेंट्स डोंट
And,
आंसर। हाँ बोल।
don't answer. Sir feel that the students not here
हाँ,
and students सर बच जाता से लिखेंगे
एस्केप।
and students
हाँ,
and that's it.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया। और ठीक कर बेटा थोड़ा सा, है ना बेटा, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश कर, शाबाश। हाँ काजल मैडम, क्या हुआ बेटा?